how to fix Chrome when it keeps stopping, or let's take a look at how we can fix Chrome when it keeps closing or crashing. So here are a few things that we can do. The first thing that we need to do is to check that our Chrome is fully updated, so it's using its latest version. So we go into our Play Store and we select or search for Chrome right here, and then make sure that we are in up to date. So as you can see here, it's not totally updated, so just go ahead and click update right here. And then once that it's fully installed, we're not going to open this yet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go into settings, and then we're gonna go down until we find apps right here, and we're gonna go into Chrome. And what we're going to do is we're going to be going into our storage and then clearing our data. So let's go on manage storage right here on the bottom left, and then clear all data right here. So let's click OK, and that would have cleared all of your data and your cache. And then let's go back and click force stop on the bottom right to fully reset our Chrome right there. And one more thing is, let's go back into the apps section and let's look for this app called Android System Web View right here. And we're going to be going into storage again and clearing data. So let's click on the bottom left, clear the data right here, and then click delete. And before we go into Chrome once again, what we're going to do is we need to restart our phone for the entire thing to take effect. Now, once that your phone has been fully restarted, go ahead and open up Chrome right here. And as you can see, we get this welcome, and then you can go ahead and continue as the account that you have currently set up, or you can use without. And then go ahead and choose to sync or not, or entirely up to you. And then go ahead and choose this as well. Got it. And as you can see, here it is. So now we are able to open up our Chrome once again. And I hope this fixes your issue with fixing Chrome stopping or crashing or closing. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.